Hello, my amazing students, and welcome back to Daily English. Today, we have something really fun and also really useful. We're going to learn how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Yes, and I'm already smiling because I love food. I think everyone loves food, right? So this is a perfect topic.
Same here. And you know what? Learning to order food in English is not just about eating. It's about being confident when you travel, meeting friends, or even just practicing polite English phrases.
Exactly. And don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll break everything down step by step. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to order like a pro.
Okay, let's imagine this. You walk up to the door of a restaurant. What's the first thing you do?
You open the door, of course. Then you usually meet a host or a waiter. That's the person who greets you.
And here's the first easy thing you can say. Just smile and say hello or hi. Simple, right?
Super simple. But already that smile and that greeting make a good impression. People always notice when you are polite.
After that, you'll need to ask for a table. And here's the magic sentence. A table for two, please.
That's perfect. You just change the number depending on how many people are with you.
Let's practice with some examples. A table for one, please. A table for three, please. A table for four, please.
Exactly. That's so simple but very powerful. And the waiter will usually say something like, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
Once you sit down, what's the first thing you want?
Food.
Almost. But before the food, you need the menu.
Right. Sometimes the waiter brings it to you, but if they don't, you can ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
That's polite, clear, and easy. And notice, please is super important. Always use please and thank you in a restaurant.
Okay, so now you have the menu, but maybe it looks a little confusing. You'll usually see four big categories: starters or appetizers, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Yes, let's break those down.
Starters are the small foods you eat first, like soup, salad, or maybe bread with butter.
Main courses are the big foods, the main part of your meal. This could be chicken, fish, pasta, steak, or pizza.
Desserts are the sweet foods, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
And drinks include water, juice, coffee, tea, or soda.
Let's make it fun. Imagine you are at a restaurant. What do you choose from each section?
Hmm. Okay, for my starter, I would like tomato soup. For my main course, I'll have grilled chicken with rice. For dessert, I'll have ice cream. And for my drink, I'll have water.
Very healthy. Okay, my turn. For my starter, I'll have a small salad. For my main course, I would like spaghetti. For dessert, I'll take chocolate cake. And for my drink, I'll have orange juice.
That sounds delicious. And see, we're already practicing ordering food.
Now, let's imagine the waiter comes back. They usually ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, you can say, yes, I am. Yes, please.
And if you need more time, you can say, "Just a minute, please."
That's a great one. Polite and simple.
Now, here comes the important part. How do we actually order? Some people say, "I want a hamburger." That's not wrong, but it can sound a little strong.
Exactly. A more polite way is to say, I would like the hamburger, please. Or, I'll have the hamburger, please.
Both are perfect. Let's practice a mini conversation. Waiter,
Are you ready to order?
customer,
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
waiter,
Okay, and for your main course?
customer. I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Customer, yes, I would like a soda, please.
That's great. Notice how every sentence is short, clear, and polite.
Okay, now your food has arrived. The waiter usually says, enjoy your meal.
And you can answer, thank you.
During the meal, the waiter might come back and ask, is everything okay?
And you can answer, yes, it's delicious. Yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Delicious is such a great word. It means very, very good.
Exactly. And if you need something more, like more water, you can say, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
You can also say, can I have some more bread, please? Can I have another soda, please?
See? Easy and polite.
Now, imagine you've finished your main course. The waiter might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
If you love sweets like me, you say, yes, please. Then you choose your dessert and say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
That's perfect. And when the food arrives, don't forget your favorite word. Thank you. Finally, the meal is over. You are full and happy. But now it's time to pay.
Yes, the part nobody loves. To get the waiter's attention, say, excuse me, and then, can I have the bill, please? Or, the check, please?
In the UK, people usually say bill. In the US, people usually say check. But both words are correct everywhere.
When you give your payment, you can say, here you are.
And when you leave, you smile and say, thank you, goodbye.
And that's it. A complete restaurant experience in English. Okay, so far we've learned how to greet the waiter, ask for a table, order food politely, and even pay the bill. But let's go a little deeper now. There are more phrases that can make you sound even more natural in a restaurant.
Good idea. Because sometimes things don't go exactly the same. Maybe the restaurant is busy. Maybe the food menu is a little complicated. Or maybe you have a special request. Let's cover those situations.
Imagine this. You go to a restaurant, but you don't eat meat. You are vegetarian. How do you ask for food without meat?
Easy. You can say, do you have any vegetarian dishes? Or, is this vegetarian?
Perfect. And if you don't eat something because of an allergy, you can ask, does this have peanuts? Or, I am allergic to peanuts.
That's very important. Allergies can be serious, so always make sure you check. You can even say, can you make this without cheese, please?
Yes, many restaurants are happy to help if you just ask politely.
Let's also talk about different kinds of restaurants, because the conversation changes a little depending on where you are.
For example, in a fast food restaurant, you usually don't have a waiter. You go to the counter, look at the menu on the wall, and order directly.
Right. So you might say, "Can I have a cheeseburger meal, please?" Or, "I'd like a medium pizza with mushrooms, please."
And they might ask you, for here or to go, US English, or eat in or take away, UK English.
That's a fun difference. To go in the US, take away in the UK. Both mean the same thing. You want to take the food with you.
And a coffee shop, it's similar. You might say, can I have a cappuccino, please? Or, I'd like a latte with soy milk, please.
And they often ask small, medium, or large.
Exactly. It's good to be ready for those follow-up questions.
Let's do a quick role play for practice. I'll be the cashier, you be the customer. Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hello, can I have a cheeseburger meal, please?
Of course. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
What drink would you like?
I'll have a cola, please.
Great. For here or to go?
To go, please.
See how easy that is? Short, polite, and clear.
Let's also talk about tipping, because this can be confusing for learners.
Yes, in the United States, tipping is very common. Usually, you give around 15 to 20% of the bill as a tip.
But in the UK, tipping is smaller, maybe 10%. And in some countries, like Japan, tipping is not expected at all.
So the important lesson is tipping is cultural. If you travel, try to check the local rules.
But no matter where you are, saying thank you with a smile is always correct.
Let's do a big role play now, from start to finish. This will help students see the whole conversation in one go.
Okay, I'll be the waiter, you be the customer. Good evening. How many people?
A table for two, please.
Of course. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Certainly. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
Just a minute, please.
No problem. I'll come back.
After a few minutes,
Are you ready to order now?
yes, I would like the vegetable soup to start, please.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with rice, please.
Wonderful. And would you like any dessert later?
Maybe later. Can I see the dessert menu after the meal?
Of course. I'll bring your soup and water now.
And then later, after the meal?
Would you like dessert?
Yes, please. I'd like the apple pie.
Excellent. Anything else?
No, thank you. Just the pie.
Here you are. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Here is your receipt. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That's the whole journey, from entering to paying. If you practice this, you will be ready for almost any restaurant.
Let's give our students a few more bonus phrases they can use. What do you recommend when you don't know what to choose? What's the soup of the day? Could I have this without onions, please? Can we have separate checks if each person wants to pay for their own meal? Can I get this to go? Or can I take this away? If you don't finish your food and want to take it home.
Those are really useful, especially what do you recommend? Waiters love to answer that question. It shows you are interested.
Let's finish with 2 golden rules. First, always use polite words. Please and thank you.
And second, don't be afraid. Even if your English is not perfect, people will understand you. Ordering food is something everyone does, so they will be patient.
Exactly. A smile and a polite voice are more powerful than perfect grammar.
Well said.
So, my amazing students, that's our big restaurant lesson for today.
We hope you feel more confident now about ordering food in English.
Yes, and don't forget, you can practice at home with a friend. One person is the waiter, the other is the customer. Switch roles and have fun.
And here's your homework. In the comments, tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Is it pizza, pasta, soup, cake?
We can't wait to read your answers. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Daily English for more fun lessons every week.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye!